Welcome back to today's video, you guys. I actually got my first house. Woo! So yes, guys, this is actually located in St. Anne, pretty close to Puerto Rico Beach right now. So far so good. I love that as well. It actually has an AC in there. Like, Jamaica is so hot, you definitely need the AC. And the place is quiet. Yes, I have a suitcase, I'm moving. And what I like about that as well, the veranda, you also have two outside chairs as well. So that's a good thing so far. Right? And anyone is welcome. Just knock the door and I let you guys in my house. So one thing what I can say about this property though, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. As you guys can see, everything is all modern in here as well. You also have like a super lock as well. You can put your personal code. That is not the code though, but yeah. Upon arriving, the place smells so good. The place is so clean. I like that so far. I feel home away from home. That's what I like as well. So guys, if you're interested, did you know that it's actually my friend who bought this? She's a travel agent now. It's Cleo. Yes, so she has a business called It's a Vibe Vacay. It's also on Instagram and on TikTok. You guys can go ahead and support my friend. Let her know that Peter Gear was the one who recommended her. Who knows, she might can give you some dollars off. So just reach out to her. Our information is actually in the description box as well, and our information will also be at the end of the video. And what about this? You guys also have like a dining table. You can have your dinner, your lunch, and your breakfast. And what I like most about this property as well, it comes with a dryer and a washer, and that door actually leads outside where you can hang up your clothes. And also as well, this property also has like 2 TVs, 2 ACs. The 2-room has the AC, and in the living room you also have a TV, and also in the master bedroom. Each room now, you guys also have some linen, so you have like sheets, towel, and so forth, what is necessary. This is actually one of the bathroom as well, people. And you also have a little hand sanitizer on your body wash and stuff like that. And this is actually one of the rooms, the twin beds with the AC, of course, right? And then, as I mentioned, this property is actually newly built, so there's still a few more construction happening nearby, but yeah, right? So yeah, place is so comfortable, people. What I'm going to show you guys right now, I'm going to show you guys a master bedroom. This is actually a master bedroom, which also has another TV in the room, as I stated before, and it also has a separate bathroom. Right, yeah, separate bathroom, so that's good. Guys, if you're also liking this video, ensure that you guys comment and let me know where I should travel next. But I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more information of this property at the end of the video.
Hi guys, so if you guys actually like, so it's actually a prank. It's not my house, it's an Airbnb, and my best friend Cleo booked it. She's a travel agent. She also do visa applications. She do passport renewal and much more. So if you want to go ahead and support my friend business, it's on Instagram. So on TikTok, I also put her channel right here. Go ahead and go over there and follow. Let her know that Peter Gay recommend you. So who knows, you can get $1 off. Just a Peter Gay. So yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. Who actually thought it was my house, but in the future guys, I will get a house for myself in the future. But you know what I'm saying, speaking it into being, that's what I'm doing, speaking it into being. But yeah, so as I said guys, please go ahead and follow my friend, support my friend with all your business travels and so forth, social media. follow her. The link is in the bio. The link is also in the comment section and in the description box. So go ahead, follow my friend Cleo, big up on yourself. And as you guys know, this is a festive weekend, so don't worry about it. Just stay tuned to the vlogs. You guys will know why I said that. And just go and pick up on yourself.